Sige na, mag-video kita.
Dude, it's skin of the sawa, man. Sarap. Tigas, man.
Talaga, sama na.
You're really eating it?
Wine? Wine?
Mama, it tastes like fish.
Parang ano, tuna skin lang, oh.
It's good, Mama, it's good.
Miss Tina, ka. Damay-damay na naman.
Try nyo.
Talaga? Sarap.
Okay.
Saan kumuha to?
Pagka kasi yung after ng harvest time,
Harvest na.
ng palay. Tapos magbubugal sila ng palay, mag-aaraw sila. Yan, makukuha nila.
I'll go here. Oh, you say bye-bye. Say.
Sawa, bayawa, gano'n.
Sarap, man. Sarap. Masarap.
Stop ko.
Pare.